Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Cash not showing up in wallet. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that your Apple Cash app is not showing up in your wallet, so let's see how can you fix. So basically, this service is only available in USA or UK. So if you're living in USA or UK, so you'll automatically get this feature, or in other countries, the service is not available. Or if you're in USA or UK or you're still having the same issue, so you just have to change the country or region only for your iPhone. So open your settings section and here select general, then select date and time, and you just have to look for the option of country or region. Here is the language and region. Select that, then select region, and now you just have to select your own country. So it might be United States or UK. So I'm going to select United States from here and then select the language which you preferred. And after that, I recommend that you have to make a force restart to your phone. Now you just have to wait for the next screen here. And now you have to make a force restart. So now to do that, you have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press on the hold power button. Wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you can easily find or get Apple Cash app into your wallet. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.